Mr. Miguelito Jose.
Thank you very much, friends. To our guest of honor, our beloved Vice Mayor, Kian Soto. Can you give us a big hand of applause, please, to Vice Mayor for giving us this afternoon. Alam namin, busy kami, Vice Mayor. Of course, our number one supporter. Kung wala sila rito, wala din po kami. May we give a big hand of applause to the Sitin family. To the Japi Board of Directors, and of course, the one who gave us the blessing for this opening, our Pastor Edric Mendoza. To our media friends and partners, thank you very much for joining us this afternoon. Our bank partners, banking institutions are all here to support Jatur Auto Quezon Avenue. To our friends, clients, ladies, and gentlemen, we also extend our appreciation to all our valued clients, our dealers who are not present here this afternoon. Thank you very much for being here with us this afternoon. It's an absolute pleasure to be here today